Hey guys, Dr. Ray Marquez here at Local Chiropractic Back Pain Relief Center. We're here this morning with Leah, and she's got a little bit of neck and upper back pain, occasional low back pain. So we're just going to do overall neck, upper back, and low back adjustment. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to have you just go face down for me, lay on your belly. And what we're going to do is just a little bit of muscle work, and you can kind of just hang those hands there. And what we're doing now is I'm going to put some pressure on some different muscles, Leah. And what I'm going to do is when we do those, I'm going to ask you to do certain movements. So I'm going to put a little bit of pressure here. It can be a little sore. Feel almost like that massage that you got the other day. So lift your head and look this way for me, and then back to the center. Do that 4 more times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. We're going to do 5 more times just on the same side, okay? So 5 times this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we're going to move to the other side. All right, now look this way 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So if we don't address the tight muscles or the trigger points or the spasms that patients have, and we just manipulate the spine, that spine can just go right back to where it was, within an hour or so. So we want to loosen the muscles up, get them to work properly, then the adjustments go that much better. So next, I'm going to bend your leg, Leah. I'm going to put some pressure on different spots in your low back. I'm going to move your leg in and out. And what I'm doing here, just loosening up the lumbar paraspinals. Again, so the adjustment goes just a little easier. And that the adjustment holds longer. Remember, we want to get you in and out of pain as quickly as possible in the least amount of visits possible. This way you can get on to doing the things you enjoy. So let me know if that bothers your knee or your leg when we do that. Just a little pressure. Okay, we're going to move to the other side. You feel a difference from side to side there? That other side's tight, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, I'm going to use an adjusting instrument. And what the adjusting instrument does is break up any adhesions that may have formed around the joints. It can limit your mobility. Let me know if any of this bothers you. All right, next we're going to use this massager here, and all that's going to do is just bring some blood to the surface of the muscles, loosen the body up a little bit so we can adjust this a little easier. All right. Can you lay on your side? When you lay on your side, face me. All right, so I'm going to kind of put you where I need you, all right? Might feel this a little fun. I'm going to bring your arm out. Bring your shoulder back a little bit. You can just kind of rest your head. Just going to cross your arms. Okay, this is a low back or a lumbar adjustment, all right? I promise I won't drop you. Okay, nothing will hurt too. Just a little bit of pressure right here, okay? So here we go. It's nice and light. Good, okay? Let's do the other side. Good. Just going to slide you out a little bit. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Going to bend your top leg. Just a little pressure. That's all. Okay, go on your back for me, face up. Okay, why don't we just scooch down just a little bit.
This way?
Yep, there you go. And we can straighten your legs out, hands on your belly. Okay, so next we're going to adjust your neck. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
So just a little bit of pressure here. Nice and light. Good. Not a lot of noise, didn't it? All that noise is just pressure being released. Okay? Good, just nice and light. Good. A little different, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Come on up for me. I'm going to have you sit on the edge of the table, face this way. This next one, we're going to do an upper back adjustment. So I'm going to cross your arms. Okay, chin down to your chest. I'm going to lay you back and pick you back up, but leave your chin down and your legs down. Okay? So come on back and just relax for me. Good, one more time. Good. that for your first time.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here, Leah. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment on this video, or you can reach one of our websites at myrtlebeachwalkincairo.com or backpainrc.com. All right. Thanks for watching.